So guys, I'm going to be putting not a package, but I'm going to be putting this up with Fidgets I really like, and I'm going to take them to my dad's. First, I just got to take a puppet. I'm going to be taking this black flower, and I'm going to be taking this rainbow narwhal, and I will also be taking this orange flower. Next, for needles, I'll be taking this orange. Should I take an orange one? Actually, I'm going to be taking this blue needle and this really squishy pink one. I'm going to be taking a marbling mesh and 3 monkey needles, these smaller ones, super fun. A zipper bracelets. These are so much fun to play with. I go like, so fun. A poop stress ball. Should I take the DNA ball? I don't know. I'm gonna bring a fidget pad. Magnetic rings, for sure. Magnetic rings are so fun to play with. I'm gonna bring a sensory ring. And I don't play with pea poppers that much, but I'm gonna try it out to see if I like it a little better. So I'm gonna take a pea popper. I already have enough stress balls, I'm not gonna take that. And now, out of my simple dimples, which one should I take? So I definitely want to take a clear one. I'm gonna take this clear one. I think I'm going to take this black and white one, and then maybe this other one. I think I'm gonna take these 3 simple dimples to my dad's because they look super amazing. And then the other ones will just be in my bed because I don't really have anywhere else to put them. So they're just gonna be there. So come in the next video to see the final result of everything I have in here. Actually, I'll just show it. Actually, yeah, come to the next video.